MX Gallery is a modern gallery app that lets you easily find all your photos and videos in one tap. I've attached the app download link in the video description below. This app is still in early phase, so bugs may occur. All file access permission must be granted in order to make the app usable. This app is simple to use. There's no AI running to steal your data. There's no cloud service monitoring your gallery. This app will work just fine even in offline mode. This app is focused on giving full control of all your content in your hands, and not letting third-party businesses track or snoop what you have in your gallery. Managing files and folders is very easy. Long tap to enable multi-selection mode. Here you can find multiple options such as select all files, share, refresh folder, rename, copy, delete, and more. Similarly, you can find most of these tools even when dealing with individual file. Long tap on your file or folder to enter into multi-selection mode. Now you can select as many file or folder you want to select. To make it easier to select range of files or folders, you can simply long press on the file or folder until where you want to select. This enables you to quickly select large range of files at once. Quick tip: if you keep your finger tapped on a file even after you have entered into multi-selection mode, then it will open you a preview of the file. Open your navigation drawer and tap on Sort option. Here you can find different sorting options available to you. You can also find Sort option in the menu of a folder. This sort will only be applied to that one particular folder and not across all folders. You can show or hide folder through the Folder Visibility tool. This tool lets you decide which option fits best to your needs. In the Edit list, you can add folder path that you want to be added to the list. Tap on Save to apply the changes. MX Gallery comes with inbuilt app lock feature. Here you can add a 4-digit PIN number that enables the app lock. Remember, the app do not manage the PIN, so you must remember your PIN. As soon as you enable app lock, there is another feature called as Fake PIN which is available to you. Fake PIN allows you to add a second lock PIN to the app. This is important in case if someone wants to access your gallery, and you need to give them the PIN to the app, then you can use this fake PIN which will load only those content in the gallery that you have added to this folder list. This app also supports Recycle Bin feature. To test this feature, we will delete 2 files from this folder. When deleting, remember to tick on the checkbox to move deleted files to Recycle Bin. Now we will open our navigation drawer and you can see both the deleted files has been moved inside the Recycle Bin. Now you can restore these deleted files back to your gallery by tapping on the Restore icon and choosing the folder where you want these files to get restored. By default, app will open the media that can be swiped left or right to switch to the next content. However, if you want to have an swipe experience like TikTok or Reels, then you can just open the settings and enable the vertical pager option. This option will allow you to swipe up and down to switch between your content. By default, Media Viewer does not open in full screen. It is done to let you use quick menu from the bottom sheet. However, if you want to have a completely immersive full screen experience, then you can do so by dragging down the bottom sheet beneath the screen. This will take you to a full screen mode. To exit from this, you need to either swipe up or down from bottom or top of the screen and tap on Back button. MX Gallery comes with a Gold membership. Gold user can access many premium features like photo filter, unlimited file copy, file move, no ads, etc. I have already subscribed to the Gold membership, so if you want to support this app, then go ahead and take the Gold subscription. It costs less than a Starbucks coffee. There are many features that we didn't discuss in this video, such as recent files, file picker, search, force refresh, USB support, etc. However, we believe those features can be figured out by the user themselves. There will be many more features that will be added to this app. If you like this app, then do make sure you rate it 5-star in the Play Store, and share it with as many people as you can. Thanks.